All right, turning to that landmark social media trial in Los Angeles. In just a few hours, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is expected to testify, facing allegations that his social media platforms are addictive. This is not the first time he has been face to face with angry or grieving parents. In 2024, he issued this apology to parents during his Senate testimony.
Because everything that you've all been through is terrible, and no one should have to go through the things that your families have suffered. And this is why we invested so much and are going to continue doing industry-leading efforts to make sure that no one has to go through the types of things that your families have had to suffer.
Joining me now is attorney and Media Research Center Vice President of Free Speech, Dan Schneider. Dan, thank you so much for joining us. It's a high-profile day when it comes to this trial. What will Mark Zuckerberg's strategy be as he fights allegations that his platform, Instagram in this case, is intentionally addictive?
Right. You have to remember, he founded this company. He runs this company. He made most of the decisions that are at issue in this litigation. Did he intentionally design his product to addict kids and to make money off of that addiction? Or was he simply trying to make a product that kids liked, that adults liked, and trying to balance the risks and the rewards from it?
Yeah, so we just heard that apology that he issued in 2024. He was testifying before the Senate Judiciary Committee at the time, and parents were there, and he spoke to them personally and apologized for the hardships that they've all gone through. Could that apology be used against him in this trial?
It's guaranteed to come up today. He testifies today in the California case, and the plaintiffs are going to try to say that these kids are clinically addicted, and Mark Zuckerberg will say, no, they're not clinically addicted. There's no such thing as clinical addiction to social media. Instead, it's problematic use, and that's the problem for Meta. Problematic use. Is that will they be legally culpable for that? Or is that the reason they will get off the hook because Meta was trying to address these problematic issues?
That's an interesting question. And we've already heard that argument before from one Instagram executive who's already testified and said, I think it's important to differentiate between clinical addiction, as you said, and problematic use. Sometimes we use addiction to refer to things more casually. I mean, it is true that these social media companies have put guardrails in place. Yeah. So have they made any compelling arguments that could sway a jury that, you know, that they are in the right here, or at least not in the wrong?
So I work in Washington, D.C. I work on these policy issues. I can tell you, while I am no fan of Meta as a corporation, I see lots of problems with how it is operated. I really do think Meta has been, frankly, the leader in trying to address these issues. But the plaintiffs will use their knowledge of the existence of these problems against Meta in this case. And now it's going to be left up to a California jury.
So with all that said, what do you think the ruling will be?
Well, we've got 6 weeks of trial to go.
That's right. Maybe a little too premature.
The whole case could weigh exactly today on what Mark Zuckerberg says and doesn't say.
But free speech is so important to you. So are there any implications regarding free speech if the plaintiff does get what she wants when it comes to this? Right.
So the Instagram CEO did testify the other day that he's trying to balance the risks of addiction with free speech rights. And that is why policymakers in D.C. should have been addressing these issues. Instead, we're going to leave it up to a jury in California.
And on the legal front, because you are an attorney, you mentioned two notable details on this trial involving tiers and suits and the contrast between them. Can you explain that? I thought it was pretty interesting.
Well, this case is a bellwether landmark case. And in California, a bellwether case is a term of art. It's like a class action suit. And how this case goes will, in fact, address how future cases in California and the rest of the country go.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And, you know, there's a young girl at the center of this case. Final question to you. If she does win here, what happens? Is she asking for a monetary amount?
Well, the plaintiff's attorneys are seeking both monetary damages and changes to the operating structures of these companies. And again, this will change the way all of us interact with social media companies in the future.
And could go all the way up to the Supreme Court. Dan, thank you so much for joining us ahead of this big day in California. We very much appreciate it.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.